好要加强这个支援乌克兰甲俄罗斯对立的这个紧张情形是愈来愈严重。俄罗斯总统普丁就放调讲，若是其他国家干涉乌克兰的局势，俄罗斯将以闪电迄一般的速度进行军事回击。伊佫强调讲，一旦有必要，真正用到伊所讲的伊应该讲的就是核子武器。当前俄罗斯部队伫乌克兰的东部甲南部军事方面拢无什么进展，也无超过1天24小时，毋是开炮，就是呢空袭。怕什么消灭乌克兰作战的意志？
伫咧真远的所在，听到炮声，现场乌克兰军警和外国媒体记者拢紧行入去厝内面，等到无大炮声音，才来紧争取时间执行任务。这是乌克兰东部的北顿内茨克，就算炮声轰轰叫，当地警察嘛是爱塞车载民生物品，送去到无法度离开民众。警察冒生命危险，用真紧的时间，把食的送去人家厝内。
Alexander says, we're in danger now. They're shelling us, so it could come at any moment and shrapnel could hurt us. We try to hide there in the bomb shelter.
为基辅到马利坡，再个为哈尔科夫到北顿内茨克，罗西亚作战方式拢无变，就是一直放声吃，太无辜的老百姓，到算每啊，敢来当占领一座搁一座的拍荒地。
Do you think the Russians are going to take Severodonetsk? Never, he says. We will stand our ground to the last man. No one will leave here.
2个月过，罗西亚拍乌克兰，互老百姓拢美伫咧地下室。因为顶面的建筑物，尤其用来救人的病院，是罗西亚军人新派所在。
They're saying that the hospital, which is nearby, is under heavy shelling. We were planning to go there. We can't get through, nor indeed at the moment can we even get out of this bunker.
罗西亚甲宣布战术未顺，和阿兵哥伤亡，拢来怪西方国家。总统普丁24号伫咧圣彼得堡向国会议员发表演说的时，佫一摆甲欧美放声，讲若是敢甲乌克兰斗相共，就会用核武的手段拍动去。
If someone intends to intervene into the ongoing events in Ukraine from the outside and creates unacceptable strategic threats for us, then they should know that our response to those strikes will be swift, lightning fast. We have all the tools for this.
新手罗西亚的媒体人呛声讲，因此发射的萨尔马特洲际飞弹，若是射一击出去，就当杀死英国。这场战争一直消磨罗西亚的国力，并普丁可能会提早掀开核武的底牌。
生生不息，宏观视野，我是申宏。想要看体育新闻，就要赶快看华视新闻，赶快按赞、分享、开启小铃铛哦。